Um, some of the people are asking me SQC in English. That's why I'm just sharing another content, another problem, because most of the people are in different background. That's why I'm just sharing this content. Please go through that. The problem is the following table shows the weights of automobile parts of 5 samples of 4 items. Here 5 samples of 4 items. Each were taken at random at an interval of 1 hour each. So here given information is they want to tell to us find out x and r chart and comment. So here the values are assumed a2 value 0.729 and d3 0, d4 2.24. The given information we have 4 observations 1, 2, 3 and 4. They are given 5 samples of 4 items, 5 samples of 4 items. Let us take the first sample 25, 21, 19, 27, second sample 27, 25, 20, 19, third sample 22, 24, 18, 31, fourth sample 29, 26, 21, 30, and fifth sample 30, 28, 20 and 26. Let us they are asking to us to find out x and r chart. Okay, this is a different problem in detail. So just you post it on all the values here. Observations are 4 observations 1, 2, 3, 4. Just note down all the values sample 1, sample 2, sample 3, sample 4 and sample 5 directly. And here you should find out total weight, mean and range. Total weight, mean and range values. First of all, you should find out total weight. How can you find out total weight? 25 plus 27 plus 22 plus 29 plus 30. The total is 133 in first observation. Second observation, all 5 samples total value is 124. Third observation, all 5 samples value is 98. Fourth observation, all 5 values, that is 143. What is mean weight? Mean weight means 133 divided by 5, 26.6. 124 divided by 5, 24.8. 98 divided by 5, 19.6. And 143 divided by 5, 28.6. Let us add all these values, total mean weights, that is sigma x. Sigma x means total mean value 99.6. What is the formula of x bar? X bar is equal to sigma x by n. Average mean of x bar is equal to sigma x by n, that is 99.6 divided by how many observations, how many total n's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is 5. 99.6 by 5, 19.92. So we don't know range. How can you find out range? So just take the two tables, range, observation and range. Okay, how can you find out range? In any this type of situation, first of all, range purpose you should take biggest value in all samples and lowest value. Biggest value is 30, lowest value is 22. 30 minus 22, 8. And 28 minus 21, 7. 21 minus 18, 3. And here, what is this biggest value? 31. 31 minus 26, 5. So we got all the values 8, 7, 3, 5. What is the average range? Just you add all these things, 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 5, 23 is your R value. So range R is equal to 23. So 23 by 5, 4.6. So after getting the x bar and R chart values, you go to control limits for x bar chart. What is the formula of x bar chart? Upper control x bar plus A2 R bar. X bar is 19.92. We get a sigma x by n value 19.92, and R bar is A2 value already given in problem. Assume of A2 value 0.729. R bar we are getting 4.6. Just you substitute 23.27324 is the value of upper control, and lower control limit is x bar minus A2 R bar. Just you note down all the value, just minus figure you just note down, and we'll get 16.566. In diagrammatical representation of x bar chart, you just take the y-axis point. This is y-axis. This particular y-axis point we take sample mean values. So total sample mean value I am taking 30 and 0 to 30, and here sample numbers I am just giving 8 numbers because in problem they are giving 5 numbers. Just I am taking adding of another 3 also. Upper control limit is 23.2734. I am just going to take the straight line in the horizontal curve. Upper control limit is 23.2734. X bar value 19.92 we get already. Just we are taking this line, and lower control limit is 16.566. What is the actual shaded values? In 1 it is 25 plus, in 2, in 3, in 4. So these are the sample observations of just we take these values, because in 1 what is the actual value, 26.6, in 2 24.8, in 3 19.6, in 4 28.6. So that's why we are taking the same values, 1 23.6, like that we just take the values, and same here here also we apply according to X bar chart, the process in control, the diagram show all points are under control, all points are under control. Okay, and coming to the R bar chart, upper control limit D4 R bar and D3 R bar is lower control limit. Just they are given in problem, assume value D4 2.24, D3 is 0, 2.24 into 46 10.304, and D3 is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So here also you apply the same, x axis should be range and R should be, that means x axis should be samples and y axis should be range. Okay, for clarity purpose you just note down x should be downward line and R is the upper value. So just also here also R is 4.6, upper control 10.304, lower control is 0. Just you apply here also the same pattern. Okay, and here 1 means 8, 2 means 7, 3 means 3, 4 means 5. So that's why 1 means 8, 2 means 7, 3 means something, and 4 means something. They are given the values, just we are taking the same pattern here. In this way you can do these XQC problems with 5 observations. They are giving 4 observations with 5 samples. 4 observations with 5 samples. This is a important model in your practice purpose, R chart and at the same time X chart problems. Okay, I hope so you understand this problem. Please go through that. Wish you all the best.